Hello everyone, welcome back on my channel. Thanks for coming back. I hope y'all are doing really well. So for today's video I am going to be showing you guys this eye makeup look, and I will be using the Blood Sugar palette, and I am also going to be using this Color Festival palette by BH Cosmetics. And without any further ado, let's just get on the tutorial. So first I am going to go ahead and take the shade Sugarcane, and I am using the brush number 8 by BH Cosmetics. It's from their Color Festival collection. So basically I am going to apply this shade all over my lid, and the reason why I am doing it is because I applied a shadow base and now I am setting it down. I am going to do the same on the other eye. So next I'm going to take the shade Cherry Soda. The brush that I will be using is this one from Aura. I can see a number because I've had this for like 4 or 5 years, but if I find it I will leave it on the description box. So what I'm going to do with this shade is basically apply it on the outer edge of my eye. So, how's everyone doing? I hope y'all are doing really well. And I also wanted to say that currently I'm doing a agenda where I basically write down the video ideas that I get and things that I want to film for YouTube. And I wanted to say to y'all, if you have any video recommendation, just please comment it down below. So I wrote it down and I can film it. So everyone, sadly my camera stopped working and it did not film like 10 minutes. So basically now I'm going to walk you through what I did. So basically I went ahead and took fresh meat with a packer brush. I used this one, it's number 7 from the same collection that I used previously. It's the Color Festival one. And basically I applied it on the outer edge of my eye and darkened it a little bit. Then I went ahead and took this brush again and blended it out. And then I took the brush number 11, it's this small one, and basically what I did was I took shade Prick and applied it on the lower lash line, as you can see. So hopefully my camera doesn't stop working again. And basically next what I will do is take another brush, if I find one, hopefully. It's not washed. So I will take this smaller one from Aura. Again, I don't know which number it is. So this brush, I figured it out where it came from. I bought a gel eyeliner, the Geisha one from Aura, 3 years ago, and this brush came with it. So it's basically a eyeliner brush, but who cares? I'm going to go ahead and take this white shade, which is called Glucose, and basically apply it under the brow to lighten everything up. Now that I am done with that as well, I need to apply something to the inner eye, maybe a shimmer, but I don't know which one. I might use this Color Festival one. Okay, I'll use this one. Okay, so from the BH Cosmetics Color Festival palette, I'm going to take the shade Candy. I'm going to take it with my finger and basically apply it to the inner corner. Yeah, I like this one. It looks nice with the red. So next I'm going to take a smaller brush because I want to highlight the inner corner of the eye and also apply some of that highlighter on the lower lash line. And I'm going to use the shade Banger from the Color Festival palette. It's a pink shimmery one. And it's actually not that pink, it's, how do we call that? It's a soft pink, maybe, I don't know. Wow. On the pen it looks like a soft pink one, but when you actually apply it, it kind of looks gold. So next I'm going to take the shade Disco from the Color Festival palette, and I'm just going to apply it right here. I feel like I applied too much eyeshadow on my inner corner, and now I can't really diffuse it. What I'm doing doesn't even make sense, but let's just leave it like that, it's okay. Whatever. Next, I think that I will do eyeliner, and this might ruin the whole look, but whatever. If it doesn't turn out the same, I don't care. So, today I will be using this super fine eyeliner pen by Essence. I've only used it once and it went pretty badly. Let's try this time. I mean, I haven't even finished the first eye and I already messed up. So everyone, this is as even as it gets. If I keep going, I will end up with panda eyes, and I think that no one wants that. So let's just deal with it. So next I'm going to go ahead and take this Catrice Cosmetics pencil, and this one is in shade... I can't find it, but it's this one. It's the nude one. And basically what I'm going to do with it is highlight, basically apply it on the waterline. So next I'm going to take the Lancome Hypnose mascara and apply it. So now that mascara is done, actually I have two things left, and it's highlighter and lips. So for okay, let's leave highlighter at the end. First I'm going to do lips, and I am going to take this liner, and it's by Essence Cosmetics, and it's the Deeply Intoxicated one, and it looks a mess, but it still works. First, I'm going to line my lips. Okay, let's do this. And one more thing, I never use lip liner just on the edges. I always like to apply it on the inner part of the lip. I don't know why, I just do it. So next I'm going to take this liquid lipstick, and it's by Manhattan Cosmetics, and it's the Stay Matte liquid lip color in shade Shopping in Soho. So let's apply it. After the liquid lipstick has dried, I am going to take this Fenty Beauty Gloss Bomb in shade Confetti, and I am going to again apply it. Then I'm going to dip in and apply a little bit more. And now I applied too much, so let's go ahead and take a little bit off. And I think that looks okay. And now the last step is highlighter, and I'm going to take this BH Cosmetics brush. Oops. And it's the brush number 4. And basically for highlighter I will be using this Smashbox Spotlight palette, Pearl palette, Illuminatrice. Let's just give it a Italian spin because I don't know how to say that. Actually, to read that in English. Okay, let's just stop talking. I need to talk a little bit more. So next I'm going to take, basically it has 3 shades, and I'm going to mix them up and apply them all on my face. I really like this highlighter, it's really nice, and it shows up a lot. So everyone, this was the tutorial. I hope you enjoyed this video. And why am I talking like this? I don't know. So let's just finish this video because I'm embarrassing myself. Thanks for watching everyone. I'll see you guys in my next video, and don't forget, be nice to people. Bye!